Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tech reviews. In this video, we're diving into the Intrepid travel booking platform. You can find links to their incredible trips in the description below. Intrepid Travel stands out as a premier tour operator specializing in small group adventures. They cater to travelers seeking immersive, responsible, and off-the-beaten-path experiences. Whether your passion lies in cultural immersion, exhilarating outdoor activities, or sustainable tourism, Intrepid offers a vast selection of over 1,000 itineraries spanning all 7 continents. They cater to diverse budgets and travel styles, ranging from basic accommodations to premium comfort. The platform itself is user-friendly and well-structured, enabling you to easily filter trips based on your desired destination, activity, trip duration, budget, and preferred travel style. Choose from classic guided tours, tantalizing food adventures, energetic active travel options, and even thrilling polar expeditions. A key strength of Intrepid Travel is their unwavering commitment to responsible tourism. Each trip is meticulously designed to minimize its environmental footprint while actively supporting local communities, making it an ideal choice for ethically conscious travelers. A particularly noteworthy feature of Intrepid is their emphasis on small group sizes, typically averaging around 10 participants. This smaller scale fosters a more personalized and adaptable travel experience. Their knowledgeable local guides add a layer of authenticity to each journey, providing invaluable cultural insights and forging unique local connections that independent travelers might find challenging to establish on their own. Furthermore, many Intrepid trips incorporate enriching experiences like homestays, local transportation options, and meals at family-run restaurants, ensuring a truly immersive cultural exchange. Intrepid Travel also recognizes the importance of catering to various budgets and comfort levels. Their Basics category caters to budget-minded travelers who prioritize experience over luxury accommodations and transport. Meanwhile, their Original and Comfort tiers offer more inclusive amenities and elevated comfort levels for those seeking a more luxurious experience. This flexibility empowers travelers to select an experience that perfectly aligns with their individual preferences and budget. In conclusion, Intrepid Travel presents an exceptional choice for travelers in search of meaningful, meticulously organized, and responsible travel experiences. With their focus on small groups, authentic local connections, and unwavering commitment to sustainability, they offer a refreshing alternative to conventional, large-scale tours. If you're yearning for an adventure with a purpose, Intrepid Travel is definitely worth exploring. Click the links in the description below to discover their diverse range of trips and book your next unforgettable journey.